Okay. So how long have you been learning this language?
Uh, since 2 months ago, ma'am. Not too much. Two, three
Wow,
months. Yes.
speaking very good. So
Yes.
how you do practice?
Ma'am, by YouTube videos and by reading only.
Wow.
Actually, when I watched your first video, I'm very shocked. You learn itself, and
Yes.
you used very good vocabulary, and so I'm inspiring to you, ma'am.
Oh my goodness.
From from that time, I'm practicing, and I'm quite serious to learn English.
Okay. Wow.
Yes, that time
Yeah.
from that time I watch one two videos conversation video, and read one two pages by daily, and I'm doing like practice. But I want to know about you. Please give me any mantra and ideas. How can I
Uh,
improve it myself?
Only speaking. Only practice. Not any mantra. You do only speaking practice, listening and speaking practice. Both practice you do, and it will good. And I think it is enough to improve our communication skill. And if we can read, so read right, everyone say like this. So it's very good if anyone have time, because I reading whenever I teach my everything, then I teach.
Right,
So read,
right,
if you have time, so you can read, and nothing do extra. Only try to speak more and more. Only
right. Right. But how can I get new vocabulary and new word? Can you
you,
please let me?
you this is your first session. Can,
Yes.
so when you take like this session, so automatically like whenever anyone fluent in this language,
Yes.
so they use good vocabs. So you choose after taking session, whenever you watch your video, so you take their vocabs. And reading is very important. You told me like you are reading, okay, you read
Right.
book. There is also gain vocab. So gradually, not 1 and 2 days. It's gradually when we test in this language very long time. So yeah, we gain lots of vocab. Vocab means we know meaning every word in English.
Right.
So it's
Right.
long. Like when we learn Hindi, so we took I think 4 and 5 years.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, so it means you only practice before 2 months. You started your speaking practice.
Okay.
You after 1 year and 1.5 year, you able to speak good English. Now you are
Okay.
speaking bad. You're speaking good
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this.
and more. Okay. Last 15 days I didn't do practice, so that's why
Okay.
I can see.
No problem, ma'am. This is actually, ma'am. May I know about where are you from and about your uh,
From
mm,
what?
yes, yes. Can you
Yes, from
please?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sorry, ma'am.
yourself. I didn't ask.
Oh, okay, so no problem, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, this is Dharamveer Singh, and I am a 24 years old. 24 years old, and I am from Bihar, Gopalganj district. If I talk about my education, so I have completed my graduation in physics honors from home city, and after then I have completed my diploma in fire and industrial safety management. And
Wow.
recently I have completed a NIBOS examination. Um, and if I talk about my work, I am a safety officer, and I'm working in sorry, I have been working in a construction field for 6 years.
Wow. That's
Yes.
very
And right now I'm in Maldives, and I have been living here for two years.
okay. So,
Yes.
at your place, like what you do in construction work, construction,
Construction work. Yes, yes.
what you do there?
Actually, my job is we have to provide good facility who working in construction areas, and uh, we provide good PPs to work in hazard areas, and we protect our workers and assist how can I do easily any critical work. And
Okay.
I give training all workers and staff, and we are doing a motivational program and other things. This is our work.
How you
Yes.
motivate? Can you motivate? Like how?
Uh, by actually we selected one two workers who are working with safety, and they they having good behavior with staff and the safety person, and they aware about safety, they interested in safety. So we awarded to him who working with the safety minor.
Okay. Okay. So are you enjoying your job?
Yes,
Are
yes,
you okay?
yes.
Very good.
That's why I'm here now, man.
Yes.
Yes.
In 2 months you are speaking very good English. Do you know?
I don't know, ma'am, but I learned from you. I learned
So
from you,
how
ma'am.
you did practice? How you did practice in within 2 months? How you did practice your English?
Ma'am, by by YouTube, ma'am. Only I watch two three videos, conversation videos, and I wrote word meanings uh, uh, by book and by videos, and reading once or two piece in a day. That's enough.
That's wonderful. You are doing before 2 months, and if you are practicing 2 and 3 months, so you will be fluent. I know.
Actually, ma'am, it's my dream. It's my dream to talk in English to other person. But due to environment and due to uh, uh, other things, we couldn't do like. But it's my time is came, and I am in front of you, and I am quite serious to learn English.
Okay. Wow, that's very good. So,
Yes.
so you are using any app? Do you
Yes,
use?
Hydro. I'm using Hydro, and I'm practice on Hydro.
Okay, because Hybro app is very app if anyone
Yes,
practice with it.
yes. Many learner you will get on Hydro.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
yes. This is
Okay. So
good for all learner partner.
and you not costly. Only
Yes.
80 fees. It's a very little amount, I think.
Now, ma'am, you will pay 125 token.
Okay,
Yes.
I don't
Yeah.
I yeah. But in the beginning when
Yesterday, yesterday I recharged Hybro 125 rupees.
if anyone not pay money, so I think they get 25 minutes.
Yes, 25 minutes, right? 25
Okay.
minutes. Yes,
Only
yes.
you do you know I didn't pay.
Okay, you didn't pay before, huh?
Yeah, I didn't pay for
You
my
are,
English any 1 rupee. I
okay,
only free app.
okay. You are practicing without money, huh?
Yeah. And I love
This is
I am still I am learning without pay money.
This is very good, ma'am. This is very good.
Okay.
That's why I told you I'm inspired from you because you without any cost and you learn so many things and you speak very well. So that's why
Thank you so much because
and
I am
I
doing.
really wanted to talk with you.
Okay, wow. Yeah, my pleasure. Whenever I meet my subscriber and they told me like this, so I feel very happy. Anyone motivated from my videos. So yeah,
I liked all on all your videos and wrote means wrote a comment all
okay,
video all video. You can check.
I'll check. I'll check.
Yes, yes.
Okay, it's my
So,
pleasure.
ma'am, sorry, I forget your. Can you please tell me about yourself
My name is
little bit?
Karthik. I am from
Yes.
Madhya. I am
Okay.
married. Two little kids. My
Okay.
younger one 8 year. No, my elder one is 8 year old and younger one is 4 year old. And I am
Okay.
house. You can say house
Okay.
manager. Yeah, and yeah, I am running my YouTube channel. So yeah, I am
Okay.
enjoying.
Yes, yes. Uh, so, how was your sister marriage?
Yeah, my sister marriage was very good. I enjoyed lot of there.
Yeah.
Like coloring process. Do you know when Samdhan applying color
Yes,
to something?
yes, yes.
This So I watch when my mama applied color to boy's father. So I watched it and I enjoy lot of enjoy there.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
So it was good, no? It
it
was
was
good.
yeah.
How long? How far from your home and the city?
Not yeah. It's far like my in my village to my city Riva. Do you heard Riva?
Viva? No, I couldn't. Didn't.
So third yeah 40 kilometer 40 kilometer.
40. Okay. So you heard about Maldives, ma'am?
No, actually I heard about Bihar, but Maldives no.
Oh, Maldives is a country. We can consider a country. Uh,
Okay,
this is very famous of good island and good views and
okay,
it's a fantastic location. And you can see here blue water, and uh, you can ride submarine ride. You can uh, um, scuba diving
okay. So you
there.
stay there now. You stay there in Maldives.
Yes, yes.
So there people speak English. How you
Yes,
communicate?
all people know about English and Hindi also.
Wow, if they know Hindi, so it's very good. I think.
Yes, yes, yes. But they not speak Hindi in front of us. I don't know
Okay.
why. Yes,
Why?
I don't know, ma'am, why.
Whenever you communicate, so how you communicate? You speak
By
in English.
yes, by English.
Okay.
That's why I want to learn English. Sometimes actually I have to communicate and I have to talk with local authorities and senior person in English. That's why I'm quite serious
Okay, that's
because
very good.
and somebody asking you a question in English, so you should reply on in English.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why that time we feel shy and nervous.
Now, whenever you make conversation anyone, so you feel comfortable in English while talking.
Yes, I'm comfortable.
Okay, because you are,
You can see,
I,
you can
because
see
I,
me.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's
Ma'am,
very good.
actually, I have confidence to talk in front of anyone, but due to English conversation, English, so little bit, uh, I'm nervous, but now I'm not feeling like nervous and wordless, speechless. Yes,
Okay, because you are speaking good, you got environment, I think, in English.
yes.
Now
How's weather in India, ma'am?
it's very cold weather here. I am wearing cloth,
Yes, yes,
that is very cold weather. That's why I am free from cup. I traveled, so that's why
yes.
yeah.
Uh, Actually, in Maldives, 12 month, always time hot, feeling hot. Sunlight is very high.
Okay, so there is not rainy day and winter season.
Sometime running 1 2 month only rainy season, but not winter season.
Okay, so
Yes.
okay, so means timing same like in India and there.
So, 30 minutes different between India to Maldives. 30 minutes. India timing up.
Okay, so how much time
Yes.
you take whenever you will go there? So how much time you take? If I want
What?
to, how much time take?
Uh, 4 hours.
Okay, by plane.
By plane. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
do you have any more question?
No, ma'am. Thank you to talking with me, and it's
If I get
it was
time,
my
then okay.
it yes, it was my dream, but now
Okay.
yes, fulfill. Yes, you helped my fulfill dream. Thank you for calling me and giving your uh, important time.
Okay, your time is also important, not only my.
Yes.
And like
Okay.
you are helping me, so I feel motivated. If anyone
Yes.
comment, say, okay, you are uh, doing great. So yeah, we feel confident and motivated also.
Ma'am, soon you will get success very soon.
Thank you so much. You in your mouth, ghee sakar.
I,
Side.
I will pray to God. You will get success soon.
Okay,
Namaste.
namaste.
No.